Why are you asking me?
Why am I asking you?
What do you think what's happening between us?
We should leave it or what? I don't know.
No,
I don't know, guys. It's cold now. Man. Thinking of going home. Yeah, I'm thinking of going home. Don't you wanna go with me? I just got some earrings from Umgani. And I hope they look good. And the boy, yo guys, yo, what's happening? YouTube, it is your boy Kamkhalo Fatrix, and you know, yeah, guys, I'm back with another video, and I'm gonna bang it, guys. So today, I'm gonna be going to one of my boys, right? It's a long time no seeing, man. It's a long time no seeing him. I think like I should hit around again and again, and so yeah, man, for sure we're going to chill. After we chilled, and then we'll see what's going on for the day, guys. You understand? So yes, sir. Hey yo, what's happening, YouTube? It is your boy again and again. I'm coming, guys. I'm coming. You understand? So guys, I'm here, and then so yeah, guys, I hope every one of you just like the video. No, look like lapo. Let's get the video to at least to 50 likes, guys. I'm now here, and then guys, yeah, now you're here. Hope y'all, everyone there, any of you, just liked, has already liked before the video has started, because it's Kamkhalo Fatrix, of course, right? So let's get Kamkhalo Fatrix to 50 likes on this video, man, because I had to walk for a video, guys, because man, it's been long, me not been posting for you. So please like this video. Show me that you interested, man. Show me that you interested. You understand? Nakho ke. Awubulungani. Nishuta mina boys, isn't it? Akavuli. Kunini ngokotho. Cabangani like abantu bawubukela like ama-video ami point. Ngibele ba? Ngicokile po.
Ngahlazika wona sahlazeka mangasayi.
Ngahlazika. Nathi sahlazeka, nathi sahlazeka mara sayi. What's it dustbin? How'd you hello? How'd you hello ebantwini bakuqala bakwa? Yeah, it's all. So I like dustbin man. Angazi masuka la siyava vele. Sebayivulile le ndawo vele.
Yeah, uqafa.
Aziyakhala mos. Bayenzile vele, abayenze kwayenzeka boy. Ma like siya like mawufuna ukubloma yiwe enzani like. Uyayibhadala, ubhadala apartment yakho.
Yeah, obvious. Half apartment.
Oh,
those are cool, yeah.
Mina ngithi mahala yaqa. Omele uyayibhadala bese and then mawuqeda ukuyibhadala uyabloma or uyakwazi ukuyibhadala like a month.
A month?
Yeah, monthly.
Kanjani? Yeah, month, obvious.
Monthly. Or you the same time yonke.
Let's say ufike vandag, let's say me vandag is 7.
Yeah.
Uzohafa next week.
Uzophinda uyihafa futhi ngengakhi? Uyihafa ngengakhi futhi? Lepola le. Wes. Alepola laliphambi kamnandi yaqava. Lelathi kakhulu labantwana liyabonakala. Yavana uyiva amaqala. Oh, so patala man. Ngoyinge. Okay, ngiyabona mfana.
Simula, hey. Towards I like that.
Akekho tamani uyafunda jo.
Azofuna. Yazenzisa le ifana ngani?
Ifana nami futhi.
La, khona.
Ivawo kap.
Kamba.
Hey yo, what's happening YouTube? It is your boy Kamkhalo Fatrix. As you guys can see, it's the next day and I wanted to announce something, guys. I wanted to announce something that has been like eating me. I think maybe for a while now, man. I think, guys, there's this thing, man, going on between me and her, right? You guys, as all you guys saw, I posted that video. We went to MOA and everything was cool, right? Like, we had fun that day, man. But like, as we get to talk together, man, I think like there's something that's not like there's something that's not going on between me and her, guys. That's why you see me not posting her. As I said on the video that like if you guys would like to see her, subscribe so you can get to see more videos of me and her and everything. You remember that, guys. So today is that day that now I say this to you guys. I think like me and her are not like, you understand that thing, man, that I thought we might be or outcome and everything. Guys, this comes from the bottom of my heart, the bottom of my heart. Like, I see between me and her, we're not compatible, man. It's not the person that I want. You understand? So, I'm sorry if you saw this. I'm sorry if you see this, and I know this is the way how you feel too, man. You feel like you're not compatible, and you feel like, you know what, let me just leave him, do what he thinks he does and everything. Guys, between me and her, guys, everything like seems so to be dry. You understand? So everything seems to be like dry and everything, man. Everything seems to be dry, cause like when I call her and everything, man, like it's not that I'm bad mouthing her and everything. Maybe if I just get her and talk her side, man, maybe she feels the same way too. Cause like our conversations are dry, man. Me and her, man, nah, we're not compatible, and we don't like each other. We are lying to each other. You understand? You're lying to each other. We are lying to each other. You understand? It's just that there's no one who wants to take accountability or take the step or something like that somewhere there to say, you know what, I don't feel what you understand, what you feel. You understand? I don't feel what you feel. You understand? Yeah. Because like, she must have told me that, you know what, Kamkhalo, what you feel, I no more feel that thing. So I don't feel what you feel, right? And I don't think we can do this as I said we'll do it. I think like I ran out of gas, or I ran out of fuel for me to continue this thing, this chain between me and you. You understand? Because we've been talking, guys, on chats and everything, meetups and everything, but then they never happened. Just like today, it's Sunday today. Sunday, the 2nd of November. I had to go with her to church. I guess we would be like vlogging today, me and her at her church, right? As you know, right? The boy has money. The boy has money to spend. The boy has money. The boy has money to spare. The boy has money to spare. I hated the hunk, but but I never showed off on the cam. But it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. I'm just joking, guys. You know that, man. But then, yeah, man. I think that's how it is, man. That's how it is, guys. So. That's how it is. And guys, you know what? You know what, ne? Mind you, I have a stand, but I'm holding my phone with the hand. I don't know why. As you guys can see, I have a stand, but I was holding my phone with the hand, man, and that thing is... I was holding my phone with the hand and it was starting to get to be so and everything. So yeah, guys, that's it, man. I think like we don't want each other anymore. You understand? Yeah, we don't want each other anymore. Maybe if I get her and talk her side, man. Like if she comes and talks her side, that you know what, Kamkhelo, yeah, the way you feel, man, this is the way I feel too, man. You understand? I understand you, Kamkhelo. You understand? Cause guys, I don't know, guys, I might have something for you. It was titled spending the day with my girlfriend to be. Something like that. I understand. Spending the day with my girlfriend to be. Yeah, I was at school there and yeah, man. I don't want to take things like, I don't know how I say this. I don't want to say this in details. I don't want to say deep. I don't want to go deep. But yeah, guys, I think I might have something for you. You understand? I think I might have something for you too. This one, guys, is not working out. Like, I'm sorry to force things, guys, faking thing, no. But guys, please stay tuned in. There are more vlogs, more videos coming in on Kamkhelo. You should expect more videos, like more entertaining from Kamkhelo Fredericks. And I wish you all best likes and best blessings. That's what I meant to say. I wish you all guys blessed blessings, and I wish you luck too, guys. And hold this thing too. Never fake it. Understand? Don't fake it. But like they say, fake it until you make it. You understand? In some ways though, but that don't fake that thing, guys. It's a thing in you, man. Like I'm tired to forcing myself to be something that I'm not. You understand? So let me be me then. But like the person that I don't like is me faking myself, cause like now I don't like it. So I'll organize a meetup with that hand. So wrap this thing off so she can say her side too. Wrap this thing off, and then life continues. How's that? How's it, guys? And then life continues and everything, man. See you guys on the next vlog.
Anyways, Guys, it's
Seven.
5 minutes now. Yeah, it's 5 minutes now.
Guys,
I
nah.
think it's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So after.
After?
No, nothing.
What do you take a selfie?
No, nothing. So, ayo guys, this is your boy Kamkhalo Fatrix, and we're here now, guys, with your answers, guys. I think like you guys, I left you with that thing, unanswered questions and everything, right? So there are people that are asking questions, guys. They are asking by questions like Kamkhalo, what's happening between you and her and everything? And I don't know too, guys, cause you should ask her, guys, because I think she's the problem, not me, right? So, guys, let me ask a question. So, what's happening between us and everything? People want to know. Like, please be serious. Please be serious.
Why are you asking me?
Why am I asking you?
What do you think what's happening between us?
There's something you don't want to say to people, but people are asking the questions and people want to know what's happening. People want to know what's happening and we're not able to tell them what's happening, so they want to know to understand. So we want to know too, man.
I also don't know what's happening.
I don't know what's happening. Orange,
What are you saying?
asking.
You asking what?
What's happening? Like, okay, are we dating or what? Are we officially dating or what? Are we officially dating or what? And it's because, like, guys, you remember, if you're watching, like, okay, I know if you didn't skip the video, you know that I said, Oguchi, guys, I don't know what's happening between me and her. I don't know. I didn't say I'd rather, but then I want a good way. Because I said, I don't know, maybe we should leave it or what. I'm sorry, but then.
No, I think we should talk about it. Because I'm not sure the communication is lacking. We're not talking most of the time.
Like, you think you should talk about it? Yes, so we should talk about it, man. Because when the video started, I know you watch this video. I know you will. There's things, but they're not too, man. They're not too personal, you understand? And I don't want you to take it personal and everything. You understand? It's a smile. I don't want you to take it personal and everything, man.
I don't want to take what personal.
I don't want you to take it personal.
Take what personal?
Whatever you see, Doug, on the video, obviously when you're watching, you understand? Because so now since you said we'll talk about it and it's fine with me.
It's like we are lacking communication.
And then whenever you never call.
Yeah, I never call.
And I don't text, I call.
Yeah, you don't text, but I tried texting.
Why texting, guys? Why texting?
I feel like texting is better.
Texting is better, guys. Okay. Mind you, like texting is not my thing, guys. I can't text. Like I can text. I don't have the time. Or maybe let me not say. I don't have the time, guys. I don't have the thing, man. The appetite out text and everything. Like I'd rather call than texting, cause like on the texting thing, I promise you, I'm bad. I'm bad in the texting thing, guys. I can't text. I can't text. And when I call, at least like maybe are you okay? Or good? Or what? How was your day? You understand? How was church? And we were supposed to go to church on Sunday. What did you say? What did you say? What did
I had
you
to
say?
go to a funeral.
She had to go to a funeral. And before the funeral, she said, okay, we will go. And I'll show you the text. I'll show you the text, guys. She said, okay, we will go.
And no, something came up, so I had to go to the funeral.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, for sure. Mara, ngathi bayizumile la bantu. Oh. I hope ngiyavela ngikhulumanga yonke lento lena. Like, guys, yo uvela uyi-one.
Eating,
Uvela ayi-one. Guys, since ngibulela, but guys, I'm sorry. Ne? At least if you heard everything and whatever there, if I was talking hello, if she was bekavela ayi-one and everything, because like whatever I just said, guys, it was from the heart and everything, so I can't take it back and say it again. So I'm sorry. Then guys. I'm not taking a selfie or anything, but yeah.
rush things. You see. Yeah, I don't wanna rush things that we are dating.
Also, when you told people or you are dating, or at least now I don't know.
I know, I said it good, but you know what about papa? Ish, and baba, baba too much. Ish, papa,
Okay, question.
Okay, questions, guys. Are you guys dating?
Yeah, you know, official.
Okay. When did you guys started your all what?
Friends too, man. For sure, you said so.
No.
And then now I don't know. You understand? And I don't know, guys.
No, I didn't tell them that we are dating.
So we are taking things slow.
No, I just...
We're taking things slow.
Yeah, we're taking things slow. I just don't want to rush into things out of the blue. I want... Yeah.
I don't know, guys. It's cold now. Thinking of going home. Yeah, I'm thinking of going home. Don't you wanna go with me?
Guys, this is the part where you don't want to mind. It was added as a prank.
And everything. Tea plus it's cold. What? What?
Why not hunt? That's another thing that I don't like.
Yeah. What?
Why like no, like I want somebody to communicate with me, be like, okay, maybe let's do Netflix and chill tomorrow. I know sometimes you do, sometimes you do, but you listen to okay, are you free this day? We can do Netflix and chill and stuff like that.
Hey, yo, what's happening, YouTube? It is your boy. Guys, this is the end of the video, and I much appreciate it for you watching until this end or until this far, guys. I love you all. Sure, boys.
What's your YouTube name?
Kamkhelo Patrick.
Yeah?
Kamkhelo Patrick.
Hello, Patrick.
Patrick. Yeah.
I don't know.
Sure.
Subscribe there.
Sure, boys. So yes sir, guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe for more videos like these. Make sure you like. Let's get this video to 50 likes, right? So yes sir.
Hey yo guys, please follow me on these socials to know when next time I drop.